everyone, on behalf of myself and my mom and my family, we would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and healthy New Year. As you know, my mom, she's not really feeling so well right now because of her throat and, she can't really speak. So I'm doing it on behalf of her and the rest of my family. We'd like to tell you guys thank you so much for all the support that you have shown us throughout the entire year. It's been a tremendous amount of support, and every day it just keeps growing and growing, and we're very thankful for that, because without you guys we wouldn't really have a channel of such itself. If you hadn't known, this is our main channel, West Indian Delights, and we have another channel which is called the Jamaican Delights. On that channel we show you more about our lifestyle, as in what happens throughout each day of our life. Not really, yeah, like most of the days are happens throughout those days. We show you where we go, what we do, certain things that you wouldn't really see on West Indian Life, which is just practically cooking, but on the other channel it's mixture of everything, cooking, all the different things, going out, all those things. So we'd like to tell you guys thank you for the support on both channels, and also have a wonderful Christmas and happy Jamaican cooking.